Good morning, guys. Your boy Hello Baby here, and today it's our morning here. So this is the right time that I wake up from my house here, and guys, this is what I'm calling her my house, guys. In my village here. So this is my room, and actually, all the time when I wake up, I must make sure that the bedroom doors must be closed. So that's the reason why you see me closing. So this is the outdoor for the public one, but two of them, those doors are private. So I myself need privacy on my room, and also my brother need privacy, so you must close it. But at the public one, you left. So guys, direct to the point. Today I'm going to purchase the tank today, and it's a good day to me. I thank God, man, for the gift of life. I thank God for this far, so everything shall be happen with on reason. And over here, this is where I'm parking my motorbike the whole night, man. So let me take you out as we proceed for the progress of the tank or water tank. So after dropping the water tank here, I'll work for the gutters, man. Gutters, as I'm showing you, for the harvesting water, bring to pipe, going to the tank. All right, so it's quite morning over here, and I'm heading outside. I want to see what's going on. It's all morning over here, and I feel like I'm breathing free air from African Kenya here. So, man, I'm just outside. The sun sets from there. You see, that's the sun. So like, oh man, I feel so happy to be born and raised here. So every single moment I get a new member on my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate. And if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, man, just subscribe. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official from the humble family, man. So this is where I'm born and raised, and this is where I'm calling home, man. At least nowadays you have somewhere to call home, man. East to west, home is the best. So like that. These are our beautiful cows. Look, man, the good thing about this, our mom cows are not aggressive. You can touch. Look, you can touch. Are not aggressive. Even you can milk. Wow. So I'm heading this way, and today a very, very special day to me. So I'm just outside like now. So let me check the local time over here and give you exactly the time, man. So me, I'm just move with time. I save time, I move with time. Like now, because of there is no right. There's no right. Just a minute. Like now, it's 8:33. So today it's on Saturday, and I wish you happy servant day. If you are a servant from church, just comment on these videos, and much blessing to you guys. Much blessing to you, my family. I want to say thank you a million for supporting me by watching my video until the end, and all the time positive vibes. I don't like drama on my videos. Oh, my African village cows. This is my mama cows, man. Wow, I'm not aggressive, man. You can touch. You see, you wanna touch it. I like it. Look, I'm not aggressive. You can touch it. Look. If you find a cow is aggressive, you can do, and then when do, you can touch. A look. So I wake up in the morning. I didn't find my mom, so I checked the cows whether it's okay, and I left from here going to border town to purchase a tank, a water tank. I was waiting for the several times, and man, you'll be there and watching my videos. Look at this bull one. I'm telling you, our cows are not aggressive, man. Look, you can touch, and they're eating grass. Wow. And you wanna breathe the free air, free oxygen from these trees here. You know, yeah, I'm just passing here. I want to go on other side, and then I'll take you around to other side for my mom's, where I put some material on the other side, but I'm heading this way. You know, imagine free air. Hey man, I feel so happy. I was waiting this for several times, you know, like me, when I want to do things, I'm going on point, step by step, you know, like I don't want to do things like pop, bim bam pop. No. Me, I'm going step by step, step by step. So I'm heading this way. As I told you, when you plant earlier, you harvest earlier. When you plant late, you harvest so late. Like right now, guys, look at this. These are maize over here. These are maize over here. Look, maize, beans, and I've been doing some leaves. I see my mom coming from the river, and I was telling you that imagine like 20 years, my mom fetched water from the river, and she was coming from other side, but I want to catch her on other side here. You see, guys. But I think soon, when I install some water tank, right now I'm going to purchase. When I get some money and purchase the gathers, I'm going to harvest some more. Alright, guys. This is my mom from the river. This is my mom from the river. See, guys. Mama, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, good morning. Let's say morning to you.
Morning to you.
You came from the river.
Eh.
This is my mom, guys. Imagine the fetching water. Let me show you. See inside. Let's watch. I was telling you that you think I'm pretending. Direct from the river. Eh. And my mom, she wake up early in the morning fetching water. Hey. Mtamwagilia kweli leo huko? Kana ntara maraleta mani. Ambe hanga nyumba kahiri. This is my mom, and she went to curing previous where the mason were being plastering the perimeter wall. You know. I love my mom, man. I love my mom. And I think one of these days, maybe, let me say 1.5 years, I will surprise her with a huge gift, you know. So look, you see, they're securing some water, guys. Look, that's my mom curing water. Hey. African village mom. She was working hard and to make sure their properties are in good position. Hey. Oh my God. And I want to say 8% we complete plastering, so we remain with the tiling and to put the ceiling board, So other people on my comment section don't like to put ceiling board, but for me, I want to build, when I build such a huge progress or project like this, it's a modern one. So to be a modern, I need to put everything inside that I needed, and later on I will put shower. I will put shower when things went right. Maybe we have some power in our village here, or when I will bought the soil in the future, I'll put shower on the bath, on the washroom, like two of them. I will put shower, but not now. But for now, we can use locally, fetching water from the tap, putting inside the bathroom, and start bathing locally. But in the future, when things went right, I'll put the shower inside every bathroom. Door number one and last, so I can't show you everything, talking about the project. But for this, I want to say 8% we done everything. So right now we're remaining with tiling and putting some ceiling board. So officially I opened my family to use the toilet. It's going through other progress. So I'm heading this way. I want to check my other sites for my project. I have, like, for now I have two projects, but I see the other one have been completed. So I'm just on the other side. I'm just working slow, no pressure. So I need to check things. Maybe they are on good position. So right now I'm heading this way. This is how our home looks like. How long is that? Uninda alichokeni teni montatahan agene kegal ego soraman hanga nigahu what I'm to free hand. Yes guys, sorry for that. I was telling my mom I have some few time here. I'm going to purchase some water tank because she went to the river and she wanna make sure that the door must be closed. So guys, this is another project, the balance stones. This one tipper that I was surprising my mom with one road, but I want to do more as I can. This is the starting point. Like I do like crazy, but this is the first. I need to push these stones to be on right position because I use a lot of money to purchase, man. In our village here, to have 70 USD money, it's a huge money in our village here. Like this I bought around 70 USD, 70, but that one there, it's $140. 140, I think $150, the balance stones on other side, but this one here, it's $70, but I think I can do more as I can. When I get the money, I do more as I can. Maybe put these 5 tippers, 1, like, oh man. So guys, I hope you wanna enjoy today's vlog, as I'm heading to Border Town to purchase the water tank. Right now, as I speak here, this is my target for today. Wow. This is the village cock over here. Hey. Hey. Wow, man. So keep it locked. More amazing videos coming. And in case you're new here, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about today's videos? Wow, all the time positive vibes, man. Subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and also share my videos. To see Kiricho atige bafu. Oh, okay. So me naenda. Mom brought some padlock here. When I left the house, when I left the compound, I'll close everything. So guys, stay tuned as I move out. More amazing videos coming, guys. So be blessed. Oh guys, so it's all morning over here, and it's a weekend. So actually it's on Saturday, so I'm trying to shoot these videos. At the same time, man, I'm going to purchase the water tank. You know when I'm saying the water tank, you have already known. Hey, Gradian. You missed me. What's up? Hey. The dog are very happy, man. So, hey, Simba. Hey. So, guys, I'm just over here to congratulate mom, and it's on Saturday, so they went to church and actually came to take care of the church. But 1 or 2, 3, my motorbike is outside. So I'll take the visitor to the border town, and then I'll come back because he used another mean of transport. So for me, my motorbike is just over here, and I'll take the visitor to the border town. Maybe in case of these videos, I'll make it if it's possible. So I wanna put my motorbike aside because this road are passable. You know. That being said, so we create enough space. Maybe some vehicles are going down, motorbike. Alright guys. Wow, I want to close the gate. Wow guys. I wanna close the gate. Whoa. Like that. So it's all morning here, and God have blessed us to see amazing day like this on Saturday. Hey, Guardian. Hey, this day I feel so happy. Nice. Look. So guys, I wanna have some breakfast over here. Hey. Hey. Oh my god, I want to wash my hands. These are detergent liquid soap. Hey guys, the first time which I'm going to take you to border town, guys.
What?
I'll take you to border town.
Oh.
I have some message.
You want to take me where?
Border town.
Allah.
So guys, after that,
We are going to.
man, hakuna chai.
Yeah. After tea, yeah?
After tea.
Yeah.
There is chapati.
Yes, there's chapati.
Yes.
There's
Damn.
this.
I mean, I don't like that. You know, this is my delicious meal ever.
Chapati. Eh?
No,
And we also have bread.
no, I don't like bread. For me, chapati. To me, I can do Tina Marwa.
Yes. Tina Marwa here.
How was everything?
Everything good. Yeah.
Guys, go and check Tina Marwa.
Yes, family, go and check me out.
Yeah,
Tina Marwa.
Since party ended, it's the first time to see you again.
Yeah, I had to come,
Okay. Guys, don't forget, I'm taking breakfast here. So,
Chapati.
oh guys, so I finished taking breakfast and right now I'm just okay. So let's vibe together and I'm heading this way. There's some chopping. Chopping of gas. What's up? I'm done locally here. Can you morning ko kapi? This is how we chop native grass over here and then we transfer to the eating area. This is the napier grass over here. Wow. And then they wanna give the cow to eat. Take some food. Wow. So maybe there is no food here. Yes. Yes, guys. So you must feed the cow like early in the morning, and then maybe it can proceed some milk. Whew. There's lanquet here. Let me see. Maybe I can find 1, 2, 3. Want to take a lanquet? It's a fruit, guys. A nice fruit. This is a lanquet here. Oh, see how we feed the cow. Wow. Hey. It depends the speed of the cow. Over here. Wow. So as I'm looking for the lanquet, hey, this dog, they were coming me. So let me see the lanquet over here. Maybe I can find 1, 2, 3 maybe. Even 1, it's enough for me. I'm trying to look the lanquet, but I didn't find. It's too small and are not ripe enough over these trees here. Wow. Let's move. Alright guys, so thank you so much. May God bless you, and in case you're new here, show me some love, subscribe. Everywhere that I'm walking on this compound, this dog are near to me. Hey, look. You miss me so much. Yeah. Wow. Okay, enough. Enough is enough, man. Wow. So the Wow, guys, so the moment I rotate around the compound, that dog is around to me. So I'm heading outside, and as I told you, I'm heading to border town to see whether I can brought the water tank today, you know. So technically, right, left, at the center, I make sure that today I wanna brought the water tank, you know, at this moment, not any other day, at this moment on these videos for today. Man, you mean a lot for me, and I can't take things for granted. I'm here to appreciate you, and I want to say thank you a million for my fans outside there, for those who are watching my videos until the end, and drop sweet comment. Guys, just guide me. Maybe I want to say no man who is perfect. At the same time, I can make a mistake, yeah, without know I myself. So you correct me, and I'm here to move on, you know. Wow. And one day I'll change my family at my home there. So is the some trees over here, this one, and it create a good shade over here. Oh, and I like how these trees were being formed in a good shape, like a circle. Look over there. Hey. Maybe I will plant these trees alongside the toilet, because it has good shape. This one here, it's a surprise trees, and at the same time it create a good shape, you know, and I like it, man. So guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming today, guys. That's tourist vehicle, and on the way, guys, I'm heading to border town. So it's early morning over here, and actually it's around 11 a.m. So ahead there's driving vehicles. That's my Roma Catholic Church over there. If you are Roma, comment on that, guys, you know. So I'm just on my small motorbike, and it's easy to afford, easy to maintain, you know. So right now I'm just heading to border town, man. Like construction everywhere, that's material. Remind me, man. Soon I'll be later. And we have some beautiful house here, you know, like this is how the beauty of my village looks like. Actually, this is border town, and I'm heading to border town right now with my motorbike here. And guys, me, I'm just outside to grind so hard to achieve my goals, guys, you know. I see a donkey, man, over there. That's a donkey grazing over there. Wow. There's some tractors who are being parking there, big machines, tippers. Wow. So this is the starting point of the border town. Within here, you can see upcoming petrol station. Ooh, look at this big machine over here. Hey. Hey. People are grazing here, some cows. So this, so this is the entrance of border town. It's Bania border, which is located near the border of Kenya and Tanzania, you know. Just go. You see? Look at my shins here. Guys, just a minute. There's some people. Okay, guys, let's continue with our journey. You know. So actually, I'm in Bora town, but I want to go to the main destination point, which I'm heading to police station over here. Wow, look at this business alongside. You know. Wow. And in case you're new here, let me know in the comment section what did you think about on this video, selling of beds there. You see, it's a crazy adventures over here. This big machine, you know, going there, selling of shoes. Tourist vehicle means that Africa, we have so many wild parks. Yeah, it's the upcoming restaurant, the white one that you see. So maize corn over there. I'm in Bora town. I'm in Bora town. I'm in Bora town. I'm in Bora town. Crazy. Oh guys, so I'm just in Bora town and I'm heading to Manchester's Enterprise and I need to purchase the water tank. So I'm just within over here and they can give me free accommodation. When I bought the tank, they will deliver by using this pickup here up to my home. So I'm just over here. And that being said, in the morning I was talking about, and so I'm just over here. Let me show you. Over here, this is my motorbike, and I need a tank like this one over here. This one is too small. This one is 3,000. Ndovu tank means, and ndovu is a Swahili word, but this one means tembo tank. So I need 5,000, but this one is 3,000. So I need 5,000, and I pay the money, and I'm ready to go. So we're then inside here, the reception area. So guys, I was making payment on my phone here, so I want to pay there, and I get the receipt. Just over inside here, and I need to transport my tank. We have the wheelbarrow here. Look at this. This is a wheelbarrow, and it's overloading some paint over there other side. I need my tank. So when I mean my tank, guys, you see a product of Jumbo Steel means limited. Kebs means Kenya, and whatever I mean those stuff. Woo! This today. Well guys, after getting the receipt from Manchester, from the hardware, so we came with this tuk-tuk here. Inside here I want to pick the tank. So the tuk-tuk is coming in reverse. You see? Yes, over here. So this is the parking area for the tank. On way. Sama utanipa yenye imetoboka.
Hakuna tangi limetoboka. Hii zote ni mpya kwanza nilishusha jana.
Umeweka kwenye machuma?
Hamuna.
Iko wapi?
Hii tangi ndio hapa.
F5.
Hey.
I hope haina shida.
Haina shida so.
Kwa sababu chukua kule mbele Mura.
Mura.
Mogesi.
Hii tangi ni mpya.
Ona hata aliweka asimpuleka kwenye machuma. Nikikuta imetoboka nitafanyaje? So guys, I'm telling you, this is the water tank here. Mkobara turi kubima bono ndovo ha.
Hakuna.
Haya.
Chukuma hizo Mogesi.
This 5,000 liter. Yes, sababu mwa mnatoka kwenye machuma. That's 5,000 liter. Sasa rafiki yangu, si unaweka kwenye machuma hapa, uweze amini.
Hakuna kitu kama hiyo.
Unaona hii?
Nimeweka hapa mara ngapi? Sio ni leo tu.
Mzee ni mzuri sana. Tunamchangia. Hey!
Gai.
Acha bana, usije kuchoma wewe, mambo yako ni mengi. Unafikiri sijui kama Manchester ni uko chini hapa juu yake. Sasa ulikuwa si hapo hivi.
Unajua kwa?
Paki ni wapi?
Ama uko ni kwa
Manchester ghorofa yake ndio.
wapi?
Hapo hiyo ghorofa ndio.
Ghorofa gani? Eno hanuiga. Eno. Uko ni kwa matawi ya juu. So guys, this is my tank over here. 5,000 liters, guys. And this
Hata baba ndio shika una. Lakini hata kama sangura sijui kama unakula nini? Shika twende. Twende. Twende kibwe.
You see, guys, it's 5,000 liters. 5,000 liters. And it's brand new. Sasa mnaifunga?
Sio ndio anafunga.
Magazi? Twende. Bora ngari kukusikire.
Kana kia torna.
Unita kusikire, munita tuna wote. So after that, guys, maybe I'll work for the gutters and money for the labor soon. You see, guys, it's 5,000. You see? Come on. Oh. This, guys, there's 5,000 liters. Hey, maratake po hambeti. Tunanaimbu unafunga 1,000 liters kwa hii pikipiki. 1,000 liters hapa.
10,000 nko bahande ngene ni atalime.
In the 10,000. Hey. So guys, these are half of this tank here. So this one is big, 10,000 liters. Maybe when you have like 100k, you purchase this one. But for now, let's use this one, 5,000. Even 5,000 is so big, man. Hey, but 10,000 is so big, man. So big. Whoa. 10,000, it's so big. So big, man. Look, even inside. And it's so clean. But on my washroom, maybe I will purchase this small one for washroom, and I would harvest water for this one here. Soon, but not for now. You know, when I'm saying soon, not for now. Fundi kana ni ya nini? Ama uchuma, nani? Ya nini haya? Kana hizi ni za nini?
Hii ni meza.
Meza ya nini?
Hizi za shule.
Dining. Sasa mali hizi ni ndoa za CBC.
Simu yenye uria anatembea nayo unajua.
Unaioneaga?
Hii ni mwehu, yeye ni uria wanauza.
Hizi ni zile uria wanauza. Si unaona inaonekana tu. Yaani mafeki siwezi nunua simu hiyo.
Simu unanunua kwa duka. Alright guys, we left this place here. And it's time to go. It's time to go. My motorbike is just over here. You see guys, ni tu kuihani.
Yeah.
Hanu uko bema sina tina repo.
Sina pita hapa.
Sawa twende. So we use this route guys. So we use this route here. And I want to say guys, stay tuned, more amazing videos coming. Oh, let me put my key first. And then we'll catch those guys. I want to catch up. Siko Manchester ni hapo. Kwa matawi ya Jundo kwa hiyo kona hivi. Eh.
Nyoka sasa wafuate nyuma.
Na wafuate. So guys, I'm heading this way, and that guy who I've been going with the tuk-tuk guy. So I'm using my motorbike. So guys, stay tuned. Oh man, I'm new and I haven't passing here. So this is my first time maybe. We just pass on this back of the border town. But since I was maybe kids, when in primary school, when we came at the spot, we tried to pass maybe here. There is another school called Spania, primary school. So it's long time, man, and the road were being constructed. Look at that, guys. So don't mind, but we came from the border town and we passed at the park. So this is the Hispania, you know, Hispania Primary School. That one, this is a school, public one. So see, guys, so here we go. Look. Oh guys, I thank God, man, all the time. You know, dream are valid, dream come to reality, man. I can't believe maybe one day I could get a water tank. I wanna appreciate, man. I wanna appreciate. At the same time, it's another big surprise, man. Big surprise to my mom. My previous video, I was surprising my mom with one tip for the stones for building, for construction of the dream house, maybe next year. And by now, because my mom, she was working so hard, man, and I'm trying maybe to purchase 5,000 liters to harvest water to reduce the distance of my mom going to the river. And we have another national school called U.S.A Boys High School. So we're going to meet the tarmac road, and here it's my Roman Catholic Church. You see over here. So let's go. So that one going to border town, but this one we are heading home right now. Look at that, man. Hey. And technically, man, you must be very, very humble. In this life, I'm very humble, I'm grateful, and I want to appreciate for the thanksgiving of this life, man. Look, this is a huge progress. Come on. A huge progress, you know. Like, as long as you dream something, in future it will happen, you know. So I was dreaming the water tank, and finally I have it, the water tank, you know. Maybe so this road going to Nyabuhanso use this tarmac, but I wanna use the oh my god. So I left the tarmac, I'm using the shortcut over here, guys. On this road several times, I want to show you every time, every single moment when I'm passing here. This is a dump site over here, so we just go, and everything shall be good. So we try to capture the guy. I was passing here, man, and I look at the road. Sometime you find the stones. Oh, they was fetching firewood on the other side. So I was passing here for the several time, and in case you're new here, I was using this road as a shortcut going to border town, and also Crowd Joseph used this road going to border town. And actually, when you are going this way, you are going to Crowd Joseph's home. Yeah, Crowd Joseph's home, man. Also, in the future, recently time in the future, both of my parents were being used this road here. Serious, and it's a public one, you know. See, there's some tractors over here going up to down. So let's move on. So I want to use as a shortcut So I left this guy to be gone, and I use a shortcut. I wanna cut. There is some shop here. I wanna use as a shortcut, so I want to direct them. Yeah. See, I was camping with my tank, water tank. No more struggle to my African mom, man. Serious. Guys, I'm back home and I use a shortcut. At the same time, man, I see the small tank. Maybe when I get maybe the less money, I'll harvest water from this iron sheet, and it wanna used as a in terms of washing hands and all stuff. Maybe this here, I would harvest water by using this iron sheet. And I saw the small tank, maybe, and I will build I will harvest water here. So for the washroom, man, I use the shortcut. So I see that guy's coming, you see, so I know everything here. And I'm telling you, today's today. Even yesterday I didn't post the videos. I was saying, oh, because I think previous day my water tank delay. Yesterday I said I must brought the tank and then we proceed. So right now, my African mom will never struggle in terms of water. So I can do much as I can, you know. If it's possible, I can do, you know. So that's my water tank. God, that's my brother. Do serious. Since come later. You see, guys, so you are not blagging things, you know. Me, I'm just showing you how my life is, how I'm moving on. Wow, Mogasi, sanga ila tapa mwivushi hapa. Mogasi, tumara tambukiri han.
Yeah.
Yangi kusebora, tukipushi kurwa nyume tambuke yiboli.
Kana none kwa shwe.
Mara. Weka hapa ni tukutuku. Usinorage pa hukiru. Ninguturandi bo nitautune perisiko. Bantu bairi anu napaka nambarate mimi sumari. So I'm telling the driver, I didn't believe people's here, most of our village. They wanna see this tank here and then pinch by using the nails, and it brings some problem. So I'll put inside, and in the future will be inside the compound. Wow, it's a big surprise, man. You know. So it goes round and taking the corn. Look. So we just struggle to see whether you can pass on the roof of the kitchen and go on the other side. Big surprise! Wow! Big surprise, man. I surprised my mom with water tank. Serious. Big surprise, man. You see, look at that. Wow. Yes. Woo! Mira mahe. Temera mbarera.
Temera mbarera mo. Dam kirigo.
Kada hanu hawang kitika kino mwes. Kon hap.
Pa se harete betro.
Hai naki.
Hayu hetere hayu.
Oto kuma meno kare boy.
Bado hana hare. Ai no aju tenki. Tasogo ndani mumra. Asomo. Wewe mlimi. Uinue juu. Sawa?
So we tried to pass it there.
Nyumba kana kama gatano kwa hai era karibu.
Tukatauri ni mbalera.
Ano tukigora ambe hano.
Tagigoro marango kuya ndani wa sigoro. So we tried to it wanna pass and go other side. Hey. Yeah.
Iga mura iga.
Mukabite kwanza yakikwamba.
Ito ni keracha. Nigichiga. Sekere haniga.
Etere hano. Sawa.
Ah icheke ho beni guys. Asi suri buiga.
Sawa.
Unenga.
Engasi. Okay, I'm looking for the ladder. I think the ladder are inside here. Maybe. Yeah. So guys, sorry for that. I was coming to check the ladder here. So inside here. Sorry for and I was going on this house here. Direct to the room and it's totally dark. Yeah. Enda tebeki. Wait. You see guys how we struggle. Eh, tata cha homo tego.
No once.
You see guys. So there's another story. So the reason why I want those tanks to be inside here, I don't trust people. Watambondora mabatu. Bado. Bora get it. Magete ke kata ache kotto param. Kita kira uri chembere. Oh my god.
Pore, so.
Pore. E chiani tu chin. Ta turu era ale ha. Kusene reimer.
Te biga.
Ma faccio non lo so, tacero foto.
Hanno grupo janje.
Ta get. Yamages. Ta get per hanu. Haichi. Uera, tamu kusire. Amuga chure wa he. Uroti we per hanu.
Ya.
Ta get turu hai.
Sura sombo.
Anda sombo. Ora, vaya. Fino vivo to querere.
Come? Eh?
Te avanza ni chengo te no rapo turu wa. Okay, sim, mpaka ngo sombo re faz. Huni.
Baka hatangire mo.
Oi. Nka tota mukiro ara wani wimerura mahera.
Niga vai niga ui.
Chitara chitoke. Rogoti. Tatamu. Yes. Ora anore kara igo semba kera are hansi. Sinoroba.
Ndo hoko geto.
Tarap.
Taso tika andera da manjira takamo. Chika imotora chugi miro.
Kanambe honko tita torera.
Tuto iwaye ba.
Nizatamura. Wiki. Ano ka yusuri benera. Yes. We tried this the wire for the solar. Actually, I'm using at night for lighting my house, my muddy house. Demo kirigo.
Hey. Sasa unashangaa nini?
Naona maajabu. Unaona kama kazi imekamilika.
Kazi imekamilika na unaona tunasumbuka.
Temukiri hano teankoroki. Tare hayo.
Temukiri wapi? Hata kwa negetekeo.
Karayo ni mukiri.
Karo negetekeo. Anku mukiro rengo rohaya ronakeho korobe.
Kana tahinya ntanke hanse neraj.
Achana naye. Ndio wiki uchara kwa phone.
It will be okay. Make sure there's no nails at this back here. Wow. So we put here. So I will not install this tank right now because one need. No. Say hi. No, tarige mahano in the future. Yes, thank you so much. Thank you so much, bro. You helped me. So we was passing on the top of the roof. I don't want maybe some problem with the tank.
Hatana shida.
Hano mgezi.
Hapo hapana shida.
Tayari chakula.
Ma.
Hey.
Kitaka hata njoo angalia kutoka ndani. Mama. Kama hata kuoneka. Kuna shida hapo.
So guys, I use 8 USD to take the tank inside. So the tuk-tuk is going. Wow, so I wanna pay him 8 USD and then they go. Yes guys, since this guy brought for me the steel bar, this is the second time to be here and she won. Chona akorenga soki. Yata man to reach tires.
Yons.
Nakupasa sigoba sikiri.
Otorik service yons.
Yons indani. So guys, that being said, when you bought a tank like this one here, they wanna give you free delivered. But in terms, maybe when I was installing this tank outside, I left it there. But for now, because our compound are not surrounded by perimeter outside, so that's the reason why you see I brought this tank inside. I don't want maybe, for example, let me show you, you know, you pretend it's a night time for now, and then you are sleeping. People are passing the outside. Maybe daytime when we are not around, they wanna come with some nails and do like this. The piers. So that's the reason why, man, I must be very, very keen, you know. We use a lot of money to purchase this tank here. Almost 330 USD to buy this tank. And oh, I forget the receipts. So after this, I'm going to Border Town to find those receipts, and they wanna give me. And also the cover pit for this place here are inside here. Let me show you. Oh my god, it's on a burst. This is the cover pit inside there. Wow, so you, when it's rain, you cover because no leaves and dust going inside. And then when we install this tank, when there is water inside, I'll put some water guard for treatment. So guys, we brought the tank. We just working for the gutters here. And if you're watching my videos when my plumber installing my toilet, the modern one, we came and they give me exactly the gutters that are needed here around the house, 7 of them. And the cost of that, it will go up to, let me say, the gutters only, it will go to 130 USD for buying gutters and those things for holding gutters around the house. And then after that, we look for the money for the pipe, you know. So pipe may be running up that way. If guys you wish on these videos that I want to put maybe some tap for the water down way, comment on the comment section. I'm here to know and I will work for it. So guys, thank you so much. May God bless you. For those who are supporting me, thank you a million. And for those who are watching my videos, thank you a million. And in case you're new here and you want to join for this vlog for today, I want to say thank you so much, man. I must work hard. This is my struggle of my life to change this family here. And man, I came from the humble family. Maybe God have some reason, man, to be here today, you know. So I make sure that my mother lived the better life compare the old life, you know. So look this, a French chicken. So guys, stay tuned. More amazing videos coming, and I hope you wanna enjoy this vlog for today, guys. Wow. Well guys, so since I brought the tank, my mom, she was not around, you know. So right now my brother's gonna join to school next week, university, and she had a lot of things to think about how my brother joined to university. And over here, mom, come and see. So no more struggle to my African mom village. So this 5,000 liters, guys. This 5000. Look, guys, 5,000 liters. So, mom, I brought you a tank, and previous day I promised you that I'm going to purchase a tank, and they think it's a joke. Mom, nilikwambia naenda kununua tank ile juzi, ukasema oh, maybe ukadhani ni maneno tunafanya video. So tank ndo hii hapa. How do you feel?
Thank you.
Yeah. So nakuuliza unajisikiaje, unaniambia thank you.
Vizuri.
Yes, I'm asking my mom, how do you feel? Right now he said he feels so good, and no more struggle of carrying what on the basket like that one there. So mom, maybe when I get the money, I'll purchase the gathers. So for now, I do things slowly. So here, I bought this tank, mama. Nimenunua hii tank achika hapa. Na msimwage maji humu. Msimwage maji humu. So I'm telling my mom, the reason why we left this, mama, hapa nyuma, misumari, so I'm telling my mom to make sure that no nails on these timbers, and it maybe affect the tank. So mom, right now, maybe when you want to cook anytime, you can fetch water from the tank, you cook. And actually, I think to put your tap there. You see, this is the baby sister. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes. Hey. White shoes. Hey. And guys, don't forget it's lunchtime. Here we eat kales and ugali. That's the common food in our village here. Hey, mom, you can't believe. God opened the door all the time. And when you believe in God, everything shall be happen. You know, me, I'm telling my mom, if you believe in God, even today, everything shall be happen. And everything is possible. When you trust in God and be honest to everybody, things move on. And soon, your big surprise is coming. Soon. Me, I'm just surprising you with materials for maybe for your house. But soon I will surprise you with a dream house. I think next year I will surprise you with a huge house. I will demolish this one here. I'm telling you. You wait. Keep praying every day. You know. I know you are struggle of your life. Since you born me here, I'm the firstborn. I know your struggle. I know your struggle from A to Z. So that's the reason why you see mom, I'm working so hard. Unaona nang'ang'ana sana. At least to change your life, to live better life, you know? Yes. And also my sister here. Nyaboni mnafungua Jumatatu shule?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm calling my sister is Martha Nyaboni. She's Martha Nyaboni. Don't be confused with the vernacular name. Call her Martha, you know? Alright. So that's the reaction from my African mom. And it's a process, man. Alright. So guys, I'm telling my mom I came to check her right around. So I think I could end my videos outside, you know. Hey. Whew. Oh man, thank you so much. May God bless you for those who are supporting me by watching my videos. Like, comment, and also share, man. Love is for free. I'm just here working right, left at the center. Man, I mean, to be honest, me when I'm saying I'm doing this, I must take the action, you know. If not today, even tomorrow I'll make it, you know. So I wanna say thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you a million, man. And may God bless you. Keep on that spirit by supporting me, by watching my videos, comment, like, share. And in case you meet my videos for the first time, man, you can share. It's good, man. And I'm almost to 5k subscriber. I really appreciate you. And when the moment I hit 5k subscriber, I'll make a live stream. I will make a live stream. If today I will hit night 5k subscriber, the following day I will make it. But I thank God when I hit 5k subscriber, it's on Sunday morning. I'll make the live stream. Oh man, I came from far, I'm going far. God is good all the time. And man, I want to say just keep me on prayers. And one day you shall see the fruit from this family. And you already have seen, I start slowly, you've seen the success for this humble family, man. I feel like I could end my video here by saying thank you. May God bless you. Let's meet for the next videos, which is tomorrow, guys. And over here, my mom tried to hang the clothes, you see, outside local. Oh, so thank you so much. May God bless you. Let's meet for the next video, which is tomorrow, man. Wow. Bye-bye, guys.